What's up mga part, may adlaw sa inyong tanan. Another day, another problem na po datong isolve karon, and our problem for today's video is about the Maxwell's equation. Okay na?
Di na ra.
Sige. So, muna itong problem, no? A parallel capacitor is maintained at potential of 125 volts and the separation distance is 2 mm with area of 10 centimeters squared. Calculate the displacement current for t 0.25 microseconds. So, mao ni ang atong gamiton mga part, no, ang calculate the displacement current. So ID, I for the current and displacement equals ang atong formula nga gamiton kay epsilon 0 times E and the A, the area, and over T. So, sa atong mga previous videos, no, kabalo naman ta nga ang epsilon 0 is 8.854 times 10 to the power of negative 12. Mao na atong epsilon 0, and multiplied by atong E is 125 volts. 125 volts, and the A is area is 10 centimeters squared. So 10, and centimeter man siya, times 10 to the power of negative 2 man siya kay centimeter niya, squared pa man siya, mo nang ma negative 4 siya. So ang atong time dayon is the 25 microseconds. Then ang 25 microseconds kay ang micro is to the times 10 to the power of negative 6 na siya. Nya 0.25 man ni siya, so magdugang tag 2, kaya ito nang 25. So 25 times 10 to the power of negative 8 na siya, kay negative 6 ang micro, plus 2 times atong separation distance 2 millimeters squared. So mao ni i-convert ta nig meter, ha, mong nangainganin na kuan ni conversion na nagmeter, kay 2 times 10 to the power of negative 3. Then ana, and i-input ra ninyo sa inyong scientific calculator, mahatagan mo ana largo kuan, like atong i-input sa atong calculator 8.854 times 10 to the power of negative 12 times 125 times 10 times 10 to the power of negative 4 over 25 times 10 to the power of negative 8 times 2 times 10 to the power of negative 3 equals, so mo na itong answer, no, 2.2135 times 10 to the power of negative 3 amperes atong answer. 2.2135 times 10 to the power of negative 3, and ang to the negative 3 amperes, we know nga to the negative 3 kay milliamperes man na siya. Mo na ang atong final answer is 2.21 milliamperes, and that's all. Nga na nakasayon ang pag-solve sa displacement current mga part, no. Marato og salamat sa pagtan-aw.